So, what are you working on today?
Oh, we're working on the subfloor, figuring out what's going on in there. Come take a look. Coming around. That's why we're so elated yesterday. It took a while to get that other piece up. $100 sheet gives you a different kind of patience. The footing around the slab because it was a little narrow over here, so we went from 6 inches to 12 inches, and we had a crack in the foundation here that had to be repaired. The crack's repaired and covered, and then on the outside we put concrete to help the water run away from where the crack was. Yeah, we have vinegar here because the cement in the concrete is very basic, and so it'll stick onto the metal very quickly. But if you have some vinegar, the vinegar will, as we know from our basic chemistry, will neutralize the basic cement, and it will turn into a neutral substance. So that's what we're doing here. We went from all covered in concrete to
right now we've got the pressure treated sills in place, and then we are going to install the 2x4 sleepers for the floor. And then from there we'll install the 8x8 poles going up to hold the roof.
the sill is on. You know, Norm just finished putting the adhesive on.
Is he gluing and screwing?
Gluing and screwing, yeah.
Gluing and screwing.
With the best of them.
Now, no, Norm, I thought your name was Tim.
That's my twin.
Now we see how a working man does it. So what I'm noticing is the GC, the general contractor here, is gluing, and it looks like Norm here is screwing.
and Al over there, he's. What are you doing over there, Al?
We're getting ready to put the reinforcements in. These quarter pieces, these are going to support the post, you know.
Well, what kind of post are you going to use on this project?
You got New England white pine out here, you know.
Good choice. What are the dimensions?
Locally harvested, milled right here in in Lee, Massachusetts, not very far away. Not very far away at all. Yeah. And custom milled, you know, we called up Brian, the miller. He's lived there, you know, family farm, 3 generations.
Now, from what my people tell me, you dressed all these timbers by yourself.
Yeah, that's right. We dressed them, you know.
Now, what kind of preservative are you going to use on this?
You know, we're going to go linseed. You know, linseed is an old favorite.
From what we were talking about, you said this goes back centuries using linseed.
In fact, you know, they had to grow flaxseed back in New England because they couldn't get any linseed, and that was one of the first crops they grew here. Linseed is made from your flax flowers, and yeah, the flaxseed. Boom. So yes, indeed, they've been using that linseed preservative for a long, long time. We like to add a little beeswax in it.
Now, from what I understand, that's your personal recipe.
You know, I probably had some guidance with that, but I've tweaked it a little, and you know, truth be told, now it's my personal recipe. Yeah.
It seems to withstand the years and the moisture.
So it's pretty sweet stuff. Pretty sweet.
These blocks are to help support the 800-pound post that we're going to use for a corner post on this project.
Are they really going to be 800 pounds?
That's good.
When they put the drill through your hand.
Ooh, that lifted the whole thing up.
Tell me what you're doing.
So I'm just demonstrating that's why we put these corner pieces in. You know, we have these corner brackets, and they fit okay, but now you have to have a place to nail them to. So once we put the plywood, that's all supported in there, then the big post will go on with the corner brackets, along with these L brackets. So we're going to be well supported here. Well supported. Do you want me to stand on that?
No, are we going to stop?
There it is, just like that.
It either pushes this board out or that board out.
So what's the technique again?
Well, you pre-drill it, or you remove the screw halfway out and re-drill it, or screw it.
Awesome.
This is not tongue and groove, it looks like. Oh, it's not touching here. Yeah, we're gonna have a problem. You know why? The space that we're covering got bigger. So, yeah, that's not going in.
Okay, tell me what you're doing.
Well, we've got a little bit of a possible critter hole here, and we're making sure we don't have any unwelcome visitors, because this is where the old building and the new building come together, and there is a void, and in that space was a perfect little entrance for mice, and, you know, maybe not a woodchuck, but they might be tempted.
What did you mix in here?
Oh, this is some concrete, but we added some mortar, so it would be a little bit easier to mix down. I'm gonna go see if I can get a tiny bit more, because I am absolutely out. And then we're gonna put the board back on in between here. We'll seal it up. But I think that should be it for today. We did that.